Welcome to BRIGHTSBRAIN TV, exploring wonders of the human body. We believe that learning about our amazing bodies should be exciting, interactive, and most importantly, fun. Face. This is face. Eyes. These are eyes. Nose. This is nose. Mouth. This is mouth. Lips. These are lips. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Chin. This is chin. Head. This is head. Eyebrow. This is eyebrow. Ear. This is ear. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Hair. These are hair. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Nail. This is nail. Legs. These are legs. Thigh. This is thigh. Knee. This is knee. Foot. This is foot. Abdomen. This is abdomen. Toes. This is toes. Hello kids. Now, let's see the body parts, one by one. Hair. Head. Eyebrow. Eyes. Nose. Ear. Cheek. Mouth. Neck. Shoulder. Hand. Chest. Elbow. Abdomen. Hip. Fingers. Thigh. Leg. Knee. Foot. Toe.